Bulk SMS and its benefits. This is brought to you by www.bulksmsbase.com. Here, let us look briefly into what bulk SMS is all about. Bulk SMS is a service that is now available all over the world. Bulk SMS messaging means the distribution of SMSs to multiple recipients at the same time. It is time saving and reduced cost. Bulk SMS has manifold functions for businesses. Let us look into these functions and benefits. Benefit of bulk SMS. As you can see from here, bulk SMS has an instant delivery, lowest cost, unlimited validity, user friendly, and many more. Let us look into the nitty-gritty of these benefits. Increasing your visibility, making your business known. When you talk of visibility and making your business known, you are saying that when you are into business, bulk SMS will help you to make your business known to those who does not know that your business exists. With constant sending of messages to them, they will know that a business of this magnitude is existing somewhere. So bulk SMS helps to make your business known. Another point is bulk SMS is good for advertising of new product or launching of new one. As we look deeply into this, you will know that you want to launch your product to a certain group or classification of people. What you need to do is to get a database of those particular group you want to launch your product to, or the group that the product is meant for. You send the text messages to them. In that case, people will see it, they will respond. By responding, they can instantly buy from your product or buy at a later date. So bulk SMS help for advertising of new product. Another point is it is very effective and goes far. What do I mean by this? When you send your bulk messages, it will go far where you think you can never reach. Ordinarily, where you cannot reach, your messages will get there. That is courtesy of bulk SMS. For instance, all these politicians that are going into politics, they want to capture some certain area like local government or a state. It can only be more effective through bulk SMS. How possible is this? You get a database of this local government or a database of the state. You send bulk messages to them. They will see it and they will know, oh, this is the particular candidate that is sending this message. Let us move to another one, which is very cost effective for advertising agencies. Honestly speaking, when you use billboard, television, radio, newspaper, you pay more, and it cannot go far like bulk SMS. When you use bulk SMS, honestly, your message will go far and it is very cost effective. In fact, you can send one message at 1 naira 80 kobo, 1 naira 90 kobo, 1 naira 70 kobo in case of bulk SMS base.com. I advise you to use bulk SMS for your advertising agency. Another one is it requires more capital to start. You want to start using bulk SMS, you don't need to break the bank. With just small amount of money, you can buy some units and you can send large messages to certain group of people. So starting a bulk SMS business is also requires just small capital to start. You contact your provider, you sort it out with him, you pay small amount, you buy a unit and you start sending. That is the essence of bulk SMS. Another one is benefit of messages being read. Honestly speaking, I can tell you your message will be read. People will read it. Like when people send messages to me, unsolicited messages for that matter, what I do is I will read it, then later I delete. Sometimes I delete instantly. The same thing applicable to other users of telephone. What they do is they read, they delete. Sometimes they read, they cram, and later delete. Another one is it allows for two-way communications. What do you mean by two-way communications? You send out messages like we said under launching of a new product. When you send messages out, you want to launch your product or you want people to be aware of your product, they will now reply you back. That is what we call two-way communications. Their reply could be, oh, we are in love with this product, we'll get back to you. Another one, it helps providers to create a mobile touch point. What do we mean by this? As you are sending your messages out and people are responding, you are creating a mobile point where you have the data of people that have responded, which in turn you can begin to interact with, and you start your business with this. I honestly believe that bulk SMS has given us enough benefit over other means of communications. Have you just turned entrepreneur with your new business? Well, that indeed is very good news. However, you need to understand that starting a business is very easy, but it is difficult to make it a success. So to make your business a success, what you need is you need people. You need people that will love your product. You need to make your product known to the people. By so doing, more and more people will begin to tell one another about your product, and people will begin to buy from you. As you are selling, you are making your profit. Bulk SMS business is an essential service that everyone must use in one way or the other to promote his or her businesses. I would like you to join us. If you like this video, rush to bulksmsbase.com, fill the form under contact, and let us know your response, or you can put it here. Or if you are in Nigeria and you want to contact us, you can hit on contact us and pick our telephone number. We will be glad to respond to you. Thank you.